right. I love doing that. All right. I just woke up and look crazy. So y'all, I'm making a travel vlog. I've done this since like the 5th grade and I never do anything with them. Maybe I won't do anything with this one, but I'm visiting a bunch of my family, going to a few states. I thought someone was right outside the window. So if you're even the least bit interested in my life, keep watching. So today is Thursday and it's the day before I'm traveling. I travel tomorrow at like 8 a.m. So I just thought I'd show y'all what I do like before I travel and stuff. I have not really, I kind of have a busy day today. I have some errands I need to run, I need to pack, and then I'm going to like a birthday thing tonight. So come along. First things first, I'm about to get ready for an eyelash appointment. Ooh, go to a lash appointment. I'm getting my lashes redone. Just made a grilled cheese. It tastes like, because it's on whole wheat bread. But yeah, I'm gonna go run and do that. And then after, I was supposed to get breakfast with my friend Josh. So hopefully that's still on. Oof.
Oh God.
Happy birthday!
What's up?
How are you?
So we're gonna. Ew, look at it!
Hey.
Help me.
Ready, guys?
So once you pop the balloon, there is a dare.
Take a shot and give Izzy a big smooch.
Ooh.
Ooh. Should I give it on the lips or no, guys? Give me the verdict. Okay, well, I can't do the first thing because I'm safe. Is it? Oh, it's not even in here.
What?
Oh, found it.
Roma is such a creative girl.
2 shots of vodka. I can't.
Neither can I. This game is not for.
No, I thought it was gonna be like real dares, guys. This is just.
I thought it was gonna be like walk on your hand.
Yeah, do that tug. And then I can't speak.
What is it? What is it?
Say it out loud.
I do.
Say it out loud.
I love something on the weekend.
Wow. Connor, what did you do?
What was it, Maryam? Tell us.
I love on the weekend.
I love brunch on the weekend.
Yes, we
Oh,
got
yeah.
that. We got
I said
that.
I love
Yeah, I got
brunch.
it. I told that to him. What did you say?
Brunch.
He said-
I
was just
love
there.
brunch.
Just there.
Let's go. Ooh, so it is a cold day in Charlotte. I can like see my breath. Ooh, but that looks so funny. I'm ready to go. I'm all packed up. Just waiting for Josh to pick me up from the side of my apartment. I'm like so excited to see my aunt today. I haven't seen her in a while. We haven't even really been communicating that much. I should tell her that I'm going to the airport, but I'm so drained, but I can sleep on the plane. Yesterday I ended up being kind of busy. I was just busy all day, and then last night we celebrated my friend Izzy's 21st birthday. But I'm ready to be with the family for a while. I haven't seen them, and the holidays are my favorite time of year because I get to see everyone. I'm kind of late, honestly, to the airport. I do this every year. I always make a vlog and then like I never edit it or I never do anything with it.
Did you see that one Ghost vlog?
I think it'd be cool to make a vlog. I don't know. Got your blanket.
Your blankie, warm and toasty.
Okay, so I'm officially at my gate. And this lighting is beautiful, but I'm so excited. I just like went to the bathroom and put on a bunch of makeup. So now I'm chilling. I'm trying to be quiet because I feel kind of awkward, but yeah, I don't know, I'm excited. So I just landed in Baltimore. I'm gonna go pick up my bags. It's on. Alright, so fast forward to today. Good morning. We are gonna go skiing. Well, my uncle's gonna go skiing. My aunt and I are gonna do snowboarding. So I'm really excited because I've only been once. And there's like actual snow up here. And the one time I went was like 2 weeks ago in the App in North Carolina. So this will be a change of scenery. The past like day, what did we do? I like never was able to record anything just because I feel like it's rude. I don't know. But yeah, we're about to go to the like snowboarding place or whatever to get like a hat. I need some gloves. So yeah. I'm so freaking excited!
Drinking by the coastside, and we've been sitting across the skyline. So if we take it slow, we can go all night long. And if we move too fast, me and you will find our way.
Here we go again.
We've been drinking by the coastside, and we've been sitting across the skyline. And we've been staying out till sunrise, through the summer days of our lives. So if we take it slow.
I have come to the conclusion. It's hard and I'm getting a little discouraged. But you know what?
So if we take it slow, we can go all night long. And if we move too fast, me and you will find our way. And we've been drinking by the coastside, and we've been sitting across the skyline. And we've been staying out till sunrise, through the summer days of our lives.
So I made it down that one without falling too much. That one I did a lot better, but I busted my ass. Okay, overall, it's been a good day, but I lost my uncle's GoPro with all my footage on it. I feel so bad. I lost it. I didn't lose it, actually. Someone picked it up and stole it, so that I'm so upset. It kind of ruined my mood, but you know what? I had to live in the moment, not be so worried about getting everything documented. So that's the lesson learned here. Alright, we've had a great time at the farm. And now it's time to go back to Maryland. Go to Baltimore so that we can get our together and then leave to New York tomorrow. It's like it's so warm right now. It's weird. All the snow's melting. It's December 23rd. We are going from Baltimore to New York. Just a little spoolie, and this is all you have to do.